Let's dive into this NetSuite WMS explainer and totally transform how we view daily warehouse execution.
See, your ERP handles the digital data, but the WMS, that actually gets things out the door. Step 1. Stock arrives. Your team hits the floor, using fast mobile scanners to receive items instantly.
They're scanning directly against purchase orders, transfer orders, or inbound shipments. It guarantees absolute accuracy upfront.
Next up is putaway. The system actively guides your team to drop that stock into the exact right bin.
A bin isn't just a shelf, right? It's a specific trackable coordinate that makes flawless inventory possible.
Boom! A customer order drops in. Now we're shifting gears straight into outbound fulfillment.
So here's the big question. How do we grab the exact right item without messing up?
The scanner forces 3 checks. It literally stops you from grabbing the red shirt instead of the blue one. This triple check is a lifesaver. Right item, right bin, right quantity. Every single time. No more misships.
After a perfect pick, the order heads straight to packing for one last physical verification.
The team verifies exactly what's going into that box before finalizing the shipment confirmation.
So let's recap this rapid flow. Receive, put away, pick, pack, ship. Fast, step-by-step execution.
That's the real magic here, perfectly bridging your digital ERP data with physical warehouse reality. Your ERP knows exactly what's sold today. The question is, can your warehouse fulfill it this seamlessly?